You are going to love the 2018 G80. The Genesis G80 offers a distinct luxury vehicle coupled with great value. Power, technology, and safety are all reasons you're going to want to check out this premium sedan, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, alloy wheels, heated rear seats, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.